Good day, sir. I'm Kim Sagiri, Base Crime 3A. Crimes Against Public Interest, Article 161 or 189 to 189. Article 161, Counterfeiting Great Seal of Government of Philippines Islands, forging signature or thumb of Chief Executive. Punishable Act 1. Foreign Great Seal of Government of Philippines. Forging, ibig sabihin, kopyahin ang paggawa ng Great Seal o logo tulad sa Office of President. Crimes na napapabilang sa crimes of public order ay misinterpretation, deceit o palilinlang. Kapag direct paglilinlang ang krimen niyang ay estafa. 2. Forging signature of President. Paggaya sa pirma ng presidente. 3. Forging stamp of President. Article 163. Making and importing and uttering false coins. Elements. Number 1. Presence of false counterfeit coins. Number 2. Acts of offender. Imported, uttered such coins. 3. Uttering in connivance, counterfeiters, importers, connivance or sabuatan, counterfeiters, o gumawa ng pagkokopya ng coins na di tunay. Important notes. Coin false, counterfeit forged, not authorized by government as legal tender, regardless of its intrinsic value. Pagka ang gobyerno kasi mag-release ng pera o ang central bank, may mga serial o control number yan. Kung na-double o lumagpas ang paggawa kahit serial o control number yan. Same ang materials, it is forged or not authorized by government. Intrinsic value, kung magkano ang amount ng pera. Counterfeiting, imitation of legal tender, genuine coin. Counterfeiting means imitation o pagkopya. Legal tender, genuine coins, legal na ginagamit or in circulation. Number 2. Uttering to pass counterfeit coins. Uttering in normal means is to speak, but in counterfeit coins ginamit ito siya. Article 166. Forging treasury or bank notes on other documents. Liable to barrier importing and uttering such false or forging notes of documents. Punishable Act. Number 1. Forging falsification of treasury bank notes, other documents payable to barrier. Falsification ay kasama sa klasifikasyon ng foreign Number 2, information of the same. 3. Uttering the same in connivance with forger or importance. Paggamit sa pagbayad o kahit saan ginamit ang pera na may forging. Important notes. Forging, giving to treasury, banks, notes, any instrument payable to buyer to order appearance of true genuine documents. Ang pag-forge to make it appear na tunay na genuine at genuine. Number 2. Falsification, erasing, substituting, counterfeiting, altering by any means figure, letters, words, sign contained therein. Dito nakalista pag-erase, pagbago o paggaya sa words, sign o letra. Number 3. Importation, bring into Philippines. Pagdala galing sa labas, dalhin dito sa Pilipinas. Number 4. Offering, obligation, notes, knowing them to be false, forged, whether such offer is accepted. Not representation by words, action that they are genuine and with intent to defraud. Alam ng tao na ito ay forged or false, defraud o paglinlang. Number 5. What may be forged, falsified? A treasury bank note, B certificates, C other obligation, securities payable to buyer o nandoon nakapangalan na nandoon ibayad. Article 169. How forgery is committed. Ways to committing. 1. By giving to treasury bank note any instrument payable to buyer to order appearance of true genuine documents. Kinopya o ginawa na parang tunay, forgery ang matawag dito. Number 2. By erasing, substituting, counterfeiting, altering by any means figures, letters, words, signs contained therein. Ito yung tinatawag ng falsification. It is how forgery is committed. Article 170. Falsification of legislative documents. Copy 3. Elements. 1. Presence of bills, resolution, ordinance, enacted, approved, pending approval by either House of Legislation, any provincial board, municipal council, bills or proposed na batas, resolution, ordinance, or ordinansa. 2. Act of offender alteration, may binago siya. No proper authority, walang akibat na otoridad. Kapag gustong baguhin ng isang Senado ang isang bill, kailangan ito ng authority. Number 4. Alteration, change meaning of documents. Binago ang meaning ng documents. Article 171. Falsification by public officer, employee or notary or ecclesiastic minister. Notary or abogado na hinagyan ng authority ng Supreme Court. Ecclesiastic minister o patungkol sa simbahan, Katoliko o iba pa. Elements of one offender. P O or A or notary public or ecclesiastical minister. 2. Takes advantage of his official position. A. Has duty to make or prepare to otherwise intervene in preparation of document, or B. Has official custody of documents. He false face. Ginamit ang posisyon bilang public officer. Konektado ang kanyang trabaho sa documents. Halimbawa, civil, local, register. Siya ang custody sa birth, marriage, or death certificate. Act of offender, falsifies documents. Mayroong binago sa dokumento. Copy for important notes. No falsification and good faith. Good faith o mabuting intend to be proud. Gaya ng nasulat niya ay July, mayroong talpak na nagawa na sa June. Binago niya ito pero walang krimen dahil binago ito dahil maganda ang intensyon. 2. Documents any written statement by rights and is established or obligation is extinguished or by which fact may be proved of affirmed. Different modes of falsifying documents. Number 1. Counter fighting, imitating, finding any handwriting, signature, fabric. Counterfeiting, imitating o pagaya. Finding o pag-pretend. Causing it to appear that person have participate an act or proceeding when they did not fact so participate. Mga attendance na tinatawag na similar pero hindi pala siya umattend. 3. Attributing to person who have participate in any act or proceeding statement others than those in fact made by them. May binigay to make it appear na sinasabi ng tao pero wala namang palang sinabi. Kumbaga, chismis. Therefore, making is truthful statement and narration of facts. Pagsisinungaling o pagbigay ng hindi totoong pangyayari. Altering true dates. 6. Making alteration or intercalation in genuine documents, change its meaning. Pagbago ng detalye para maiba ang meaning. Number 4. Issuing and authenticate form documents for putting to be copy of original document when no such original exists, or including in such copy statement contrary to or different from that of genuine original. Number 8. Intercalating any instrument not relative to issue thereof in protocol, registry, or official book. Insert ng mga bagay na wala naman kinalaman sa totoong bagay. Halimbawa, ng pag-insert ng pangalan sa blatter na wala namang kinalaman sa inisyo o sa nangyari. Article Capo for continuation. Article falsification by private individual and use of falsified documents. Punishable acts. Falsification of public official. Commercial documents of private individual. Classification of private documents by any person. 3. Use of classified documents introducing the judicial proceeding used in any other transaction. Types of documents. Copy 5. Number 1. Public documents. Any instrument authorized by notary public, competent public official. Solemnities required by law. Example, blatter. 1. May pirma na abogado. Sa pangalawa, nag-authorize na isang document ay competent o PO. Number 3. Solemnities required by law. Number 2. Official document. Document issued by public official in exercise of function of his office. Meron siyang tinatawag na exercise in his office. For example, search warrant and warrant of arrest issued by judge. Number 3. Commercial documents. Documents defined regulated by Code of Commerce, any others commercial laws. Ito yung mga under commercial law. Number 4. Private documents. Deed instrument executed by private person. Intervention of notary public other person legally authorized by documents some disposition agreement of approved is approved evidence set forth walang pirma na ng notary public hindi makita ng publiko. Usurpating o pag-angkin ng authority. Article 177. Usurpation of authority. Ways of committing usurpation of authority by knowingly misrepresenting oneself to be officer, agent or representative of government, whether local, national, and foreign, as if he is a officer even not. Karaniwang ginagawa ng nagtatrabaho sa ahensya o gobyerno. Number 2. Usurpation of official function by performing any act pertaining to person in authority or public officer of government under presence of official position without authority. Pag-perform ng may otoridad kahit hindi public official. Article 178 using fictitious name and concealing true name. Fictitious name o hindi tunay na pangalan. Punishable act. Using fictitious name elements, offender uses name not his real name. B. Using the fictitious name publicly. Purpose of offender: to conceal crime, to avoid execution of judgment, to cause damage to public interest. Number 2. Concealing true name elements. offender counsel, his true name, all others, all others personal circumstances, and pagtago ng tunay na pangalan, pagkatao o civil status. B. Purpose only to conceal his identity, especially for crime for public interest. Copy 6. Article 179, illegal use of uniforms of insignia. 1. Offender makes use the insignia, uniform, or dress, insignia, or symbol or rank in public position. 2. Insignia, uniform, or dress pertains to office not held by offender or to class of persons of which he is not member. Gumamit na hindi naman member. 2. Insignia, uniform or dress used publicly and improperly, ginagamit ng hindi tama. Article 180. False testimony against a offendant. Testimony o ginagamit magsabi para sa defendant. 1. Criminal proceeding. 2. Offender testifies falsely under oath against defendant therein. Offender who gives false testimony knows that it is false. Therefore, defendant against whom false testimony is given is either acquitted or convicted in final judgment. Nagtesting siya ng maling testimonya laban sa defendant. Article 183. False testimony in others cases and perjury in solemn affirmation. 2 ways of committing perjury: by falsely testifying under oath and nanumpa ang tao, and making false affidavit. By making false affidavit. Elements of perjury: accused made statement under oath and execute affidavit upon material matter. May sinasabi siyang bagay na pinanumpaan o execute affidavit. 2. Statement o affidavit was made before a competent officer authorized to revise and administer affidavit na yan linagay sa competent officer na autorisadong tumanggap at nagpanumpa ng isang tao. 3. Statement of affidavit accused made willful and deliberate exertion of falsehood, and nagsasabi siya ng mga totoo, yun pala ay pagsinungaling. 4. Sworn statement or affidavit containing falsity is required by law. Yung statement na iyan ay may required talaga ng batas. Other crimes against public interest. 1. Article 162. Using forged signature to counterfeit seal or stamp. Article 164. Mutilation of coins. Importation and utterance of mutilate coins. Article 165. Sealing of false or mutilate coins without connivance. Article 167. Counterfeiting, importing, and uttering instrument not payable to barrier. Article 168. Illegal possession and use of false treasury or banknotes and other instruments of credits. Article 173. Falsification of wireless cable, telegraph, and telephone message and use of said falsified message. Article 174. False medical certificates, false certificates of marriage or service, etc. etc. Article 175. Using false certificates. Article 176. Manufacturing and possession of instrument or implements of for falsification. Article 181. False testimony favorable to the defendants. Article 182. False testimony in civil cases. Article 184. Offering false testimony and evidence. Article 185. Machination in public action. Article 186. Monopolies and combination and restraint of trade. Article 187. Importation and disposition and falsely make article or merchandise made of gold, silver, or other precious metals or their alloys. Article 188. Subsisting and altering trademark, trade name, or service marks. Article 189. Unfair competition, fraudulent registration of trademark, trade name, or service mark, fraudulent designation of origin, and false description.